A for apple, juicy and sweet. B for ball, bouncing on feet. C for cat, purring with glee. D for dog, wagging happily. E for elephant, big and gray. F for frog, hopping away. G for giraffe, tall and grand. H for hat, worn by hand. I for ice cream, cold and nice. J for jump, let's do it twice. K for kite, soaring high. L for lemon, yellow and sly. M for moon, shining bright. N for nest, snug at night. O for owl, hooting in trees. P for penguin, waddling with ease. Q for queen, regal and fair. R for rabbit with fluffy hair. S for sun, warm and bright. T for turtle, slow in its flight. U for umbra, keeping us dry. V for violin, music up high. W for watermelon and green. X for xylophone, the musical scene. Y for yellow, the color of gold. Z for zebra, stripes so bold. Now you've learned from A to Z. Let's sing again, come along.